something that we want to know what you're like off stage. We really do. We're super, super curious about that. You know, I got a glimpse of that. My sister, you know, kind of made me kwenta how you are as a coach. And, you know, right now, I do believe we have something made, especially for you, let's direct our attention to the screen. We do have, right over here, we do have a special video just for you, Bamboo.
Oh, I love these.
My name is Mark Escueta. I've known Bamboo for around 21 years.
I'm Ria Villano Osorio. I'm Bamboo's musical arranger and musical director. I've been friends with him for around 11 years.
I'm Lorraine Severe, 22. I've been a fan of Bamboo since 2008.
My name is Mike Perez, and siguro about 1 year and a half na kami friends ni Coach.
Ako po si Juan Carlos Nabajo, and coach ko po si Sir Bamboo's The Voice Kids. Intimidating,
Parang silent type.
si Coach Bamboo strict.
Parang down to earth wala yung tao.
Yung palitan siya. Parang sobrang daan niya kausap, sobrang cool.
During regular coaching sessions with his students, si Bamboo meron siyang lolo mode.
Nice for you.
Hindi pa siya masyado nagtatagalog.
Sobrang saya ko noon. Sobrang kinakabahan at the same time. Coach Bamboo, backstage.
So sobrang halas ka naman.
Parang barkada lang po namin eh.
He believes in strong female leadership.
Definitely ako.
He's an avid reader of books.
Mahilig siya manood ng movies.
Gumagawa si Bamboo ng iba't ibang charitable events para makatulong sa mga cancer patients at mga orphans.
Who at one point during the song, inangat niya yung mic stand. Nahulog yung lower half. Hindi niya lang gagawin na. So humarap siya sa akin, tapos pinaghampas niya yung drums. Hanggang sa tawa lang kami ng tawa, wala na pumapansin doon sa kanta.
And ngayon tayo na nakita ko na nag-exercise siya. Nagsasago boxing bago na perform.
Minsan po corny.
You say I don't slow that down. Ang awit ng kabataan.
Every time na magkakat yung taping, sinasabi niya, parang nagta-timer siya na, ilang minutes na lang birthday mo na. Then nung exactly pag-turn yung share nila, 12 midnight na, bigla niya akong binati ng happy birthday, tapos bumaba ako, then he hugged me.
In one of the Christmas parties that we had with the band, which happened to follow my birthday, biglang pagdating ko sa bahay nila, may handa na crabs. He knows my favorite food is crabs.
Decisive.
Totoo.
Mr. The antithesis of a rock star.
He would be like a kuya to me. Pero hindi palagi kasi minsan parang siya din yung isa kababatang kapatid na nangihinis.
Minsan kuya. Hindi. Kasi ako, lumaki ako na walang kuya sa family namin.
Kasi, wala po akong dad.
No problem.
Ikaw ay my dad.
She is one of my
Kapatid na maraming pinagdaanan, maraming pinagsamahan. Nagkaroon ng ibang dimension din yung pagiging magkaibigan namin, yung counting fatherly advice na nasi-share niya sa akin kasi mas nauna siya naging father kasi sa akin.
Para siyang kuya sa akin kasi tinuturuan niya ako sa mga iba't ibang bagay at naging inspirasyon ko siya at role.
Well, thank you for that. Thank you very much.
There you have it, Bamboo described by people who have the privilege working with him, you know, off stage and off camera. Now earlier we were briefing and, you know, we did not mention this. So to everybody here, he was really surprised.
I'm 100% surprised
Yeah.
and thankful for that.
For the investigating that we had. And I just have
Yes, for the
again,
time. Thank you very much.
so we just have a few questions about that. course, your musical director, who's here as well, she said that there are times where you're lolo mode when you're coaching. So what does
Yes,
what
I like-
exactly does that mean?
You have to ask her that, I think.
Sorry, that
Clarify your reaction.
Okay.
Vulnerable.
until now, Bam is very much in touch with the guys he coached from season 1. So I find it really inspirational.
Like a lot.
Like a lot.
Yes. Alright. So those are inspirational. Also, they said that you like to joke a lot, you know, and you know, you're sort of a joker. But what can you say? Jakey said you're corny daw eh.
Oo. Sabi ko siya corny rin. So pareho kami.
Alright, also Lorraine, you know, we saw here that she would really appreciated, you know, her birthday exactly. So what is, how close to you are your fans? What do your fans mean?
They mean a lot to me, and I do know my friends. Like Lorraine, I know, I keep bugging her that she comes to the shows a lot. A little too much sometimes, I keep saying, because she's studying to be a doctor. So I keep bugging her, hey, kapuso mo yan, what are you doing here? You gotta work on that sort of stuff. Like, I just know what's happening with the guys, you know. And the great thing, I don't know, with my friends, we stay connected from here, even pag lumaalis sila ng sa akin.
Yeah.
So somewhere in Dubai, somewhere in Singapore, everywhere.
If you guys follow Bamboo on Twitter, he really takes the time to reply to a lot of the
I try my
comments.
best. I try
Yeah,
my best.
exactly. So we can see that your fans really mean a lot to you. And one last question about that surprise video. Jamie said that he considers you like as a father figure, and you just said, you know, don't cry, but obviously it meant a lot to him. How does that mean?
No, it means a lot to me. Initially, people have to remember and think, when they first offered me The Voice Kids, okay, because we did the adults, I like that, but when they first asked me to do the kids, I said no. I go, I love kids, but I don't know how long I'm going to be able to work with them. I wasn't sure, I was afraid. I was afraid I was going to be too emotional, because I do love kids. So it's turned like 360 since experiencing that, doing that with kids. I think it's so gratifying, and I just really felt during that show, like I was a coach. I was there helping them out, and it just meant a lot to me. So if they ask me again this coming around, it's a big yes. You know, it's a big yes. It's that kind of turnaround for me. And JK, he knows how much he means to me, and he always comes. I have an open door. In anywhere I go, he just walks in, uninvited,
Yes.
and makes me go in, and I just love that about him. I knew from the get-go, from a certain part of the show, alam ko na he's gonna move forward on his own, regardless of winning the show or not, because he just has that charisma, and that's something that, you know. So I just keep telling him, stay low on the ground,
Yeah.
stay humble, and stay cool, and enjoy the moment, enjoy the time right now, you know, and enjoy being a kid. Right, so
Maintain the childlike
yes,
wonder.
yes, yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. Be childlike but not childish.
Yes.
Yeah.
So from The Voice, you know, kids, you learn from that experience as
Yes.
well, and you know, it's completely different from, you know, the Voice adults. So
Yeah.
there you have it. You guys learn a lot about Bamboo.
Yes. It's what a book.
As I said, a BFFs with Bamboo tonight, alright? So, you know, that surprise video is, you know, it's out of there. We know that now, and now it's time.